What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be doing a update on my now 13-month-old locks, plus my 1-month-old lock extensions and a couple's lock count. So let's jump right into it, shall we? So like I said, it's been 1 month since I install my lock extensions on the side, and I have no complaints besides the product buildup. That's the only thing. But besides that, I am a pretty happy camper. I did get my locks professionally retwisted by Coco for my birthday trip to Vegas. I turned 29 on September 28, Libra. Y'all already know. Gang gang. But yes, so I had a good time, and in the midst of having that good time, one of my locks got knocked up loose. So yes, I'm missing one lock, but not to worry, I did reattach it. If you guys are interested to see how I reattach this lock, I will have a full in-depth video listed below. I used the same technique that I did on my son in my previous tutorial, and it worked 10 times better. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied with my lock extensions. I'm a pretty happy camper. They've survived ATV and jumping off of buildings, so we're good. As for my natural locks, they are 13 months old and they look great. Of course, the color has faded, but they're still healthy. They have completely budded throughout the whole lock, and you can see the difference in how the extensions took to the color and how my natural locks took to the color. And in my opinion, I think my natural locks color looks better, in my opinion. But that is what it is. If you guys are interested in the hair that I used to create my lock extensions, I used the Afro Brunk hair from Lock Sandy. Of course, I'll have all their information listed below if anyone is interested. And to let you guys in on a little secret, please don't think I'm crazy, but I've installed my family's hair. Wow, that sounds crazy. Okay, let me explain. So this piece that you're looking at right here, that's my daughter's hair. This big gold piece, this whole thing is a piece of my son's hair when he had a lock mohawk, and I saved his hair because I'm just one of them crazy moms. And so I took that extra hair, rolled it up, and created a lock extension and installed that into my hair. And I did the same thing with my husband's hair. I did install a piece of his hair as well. If you guys watched part 2 of my 1-year lock tutorial, then you guys know I go in full detail on all that shebang. But yes, it's almost like a comfort thing to know that I have my family with me at all times. Things that people make up to make themselves feel good, that's pretty much what this does for me. But besides that, they're starting to droop and hang. I still don't got no hang time. I still can't throw them in no ponytail yet, but I'm happy with them. As for maintaining my locks, I still wash my hair once a week because my scalp be itching. Unless it's in a style that I try to rock out for at least 2 weeks max, and then I gotta go ahead and wash that out. I moisturize my hair every 2 to 3 days using this oil water mix. Super low maintenance. I try not to do much with my hair. For those who do not know, I am semi freeform, so I don't do much to my hair at all. Plus, I like to mind my business. That's really good for hair growth. A lot of people don't know that, hence why there's a lot of bald-headed mother in 2020 anyway. But yeah, that's how I do that. Also, I have 79 locks and Bay has 49 locks. That's a pretty good number. I hope you guys did enjoy this lock count / update video. If you guys did, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share, and all that jazz. And if you guys want to see any more couples video, go ahead and leave some comments below. But until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube, watch another crazy video of mine. Bye bye.